heavens made, and all the host of them with the breath of his mouth. For he spake, and it was done. He commanded, and it stood fast. Earth's foundation he laid, immovable. All things animate and inanimate came forth. His crowning work formed from earth's dust, male and female in his likeness and in image. Marriage between a man and a woman, and its twin pillar, the Sabbath of the Lord. Two institutions ordained at creation, made for God's glory, to benefit humanity. But God's law of love sin had defiled. Divorce has broken the sacred relation. Unnatural affection with same-sex union shatter the bond of Christ and His church. Everywhere I've seen wrecks of humanity, broken down family altars, broken up families, children and adults alike confused with sexuality, reduced to pronouns and alphabets for their identity. Sodomitish principles of the old world and the plains, pridefulness of bread and abundance of idleness, neglect of the poor and the needy as well, are seen in God's people who profess to honor Him. In the beginning, things were not so. All of creation conformed to God's law. Sin has corrupted through selfishness and pride. In our day as of old, God's truths are set aside. In the beginning, things were not so. Everything was made perfect. There's no breach in God's law. Now we raise God's standard, build the old ways, places, and restore the foundation of many generations.